Alright, you're welcome to this section. In this section, we'll be looking at how to design a professional website with WordPress. In the previous sections, we have learned how to download, install, and activate the free or paid WordPress themes and plugins. Alright, so right here, we'll be looking at how to design a professional website with WordPress. So we're going to log into the dashboard of our second project. Let's go to our browser here. So right here, we'll type in localhost /project2/wp admin. Alright, so let's go to our notepad here to fill that. Grab our username here, Ctrl C, paste that here, Ctrl V. Grab our password here, Ctrl C, we paste that here, Ctrl V. Alright, then we'll log in. Alright, now this is the dashboard of our second project. Alright, when you want to start designing a website with WordPress, there are two things you need to consider. The first is the type of website you want to design. Is it going to be an e-commerce website? Is it going to be a company website? Is it going to be an educational website? And the likes. Alright, after that, you select the theme that you're going to use to design your website. Alright, this is very important. In our presentation slide here, we said that a WordPress theme is a group of file, graphics, style sheets, and code that dictates the overall appearance of your blog or website. We also stated here that the kind of theme you apply on your website determines the website type. Right, so if you use an e-commerce theme, you're going to get an e-commerce website. Alright, so right here we'll be looking at how to design a professional printing press website. I've selected the theme that we'll be using to design this website, and the name of the theme is River Dark Theme. Alright, now there's another thing to note here. When we talk about professional website, we are talking about the use of paid WordPress themes and plugins to design our website. Alright, now let's assume we have not gotten a theme and want to search for the theme that we'll be using to design our website. This is very simple. You go to your browser here, right, then we'll open this in a new tab. Right here we'll type in themeforest.net. Alright, now at the search bar here we can search by title or by category, right? But this time around we want to design a publishing firm website, so we're going to search for something related to publishing. So right here we'll type in printing press. Alright, we hit the search. You can see right here is going to bring related themes. You can see this is Printify, this is Dexine, and it costs $59. This costs $49. This costs $18. You can preview all of these themes to see the one that suits what you want. Alright, let's assume after going through all of these there is none that suits what you want. You can still come here to search for something else. You can type in something like publishing firm themes. Alright, you hit the search here. You can see it's going to bring other themes also that are related to publishing. Alright, you have to preview all of this to see the one that suits you. Alright, but right here I've selected the theme I want us to use. The name of the theme is called River Dark. Alright, so right here let's go to our theme forest here and let's search for the theme. It's called River Dark. Alright, now this is exactly the theme. Now let's preview the theme. Let's open this in a new tab. Alright, so this is the theme here. You can see the theme has a home page, about us, services, quotes, and the likes. If you scroll down, you are going to see that it's basically a printing press theme. Alright, this is pro printing services, this graphic design, this copying services, and the likes. If you scroll down, you're going to see that this theme was specially designed for printing firm. Alright, the good news about this is that I've purchased this theme. Alright, at the end of the training I'll give you some of the premium themes that I have. But if you don't have the theme, let's assume we want to purchase the theme, we'll click on buy now. Alright, now it's going to take us to a place where we enter our credit card information and we'll make payment of $35. After making the payment, there will be a download button where we have to download the theme and we can start using. Alright, so after downloading the theme, you go back to your dashboard here, you hover your mouse on appearance, then you click on themes. Alright, then right here you click on add new. Right, then we'll click on upload themes, then we'll click on choose file. Alright, so it's going to take us to where we're going to select the theme that we have downloaded. So right here I'll go to desktop, go to web project here, and go to page here, go to project. Alright, so this is the theme here, so I'm just going to grab the theme. I click on open here, then I click on install now. So right here the theme has been installed successfully. After uploading and installing your theme, the next thing is to activate that theme. This is very important, so I'll click on activate now. Right, you can see the theme has been activated. Now there's another heads up here. After uploading and activating either a free or premium theme, you need to install and activate the required plugin for that particular theme to function. All right, do not leave out any theme uninstalled. All right, so right here you click on begin installing plugins. You can install the plugins one after the other, or you can install the plugins at once. How do you do that? You click on this first box here, then you click on bulk action, then you select install and you click on apply. Alright, then right here we're going to return to the plugin installer. Most of the times when you use the bulk process, not every of the plugin is going to be installed. You can see right here the revolution slider is not installed, the WP Bakery visual composer is not installed. We only have the contact form and web Divya and the likes plugin installed. So right here we're going to activate. We click on this to activate. We click on this to activate. Alright, so let's try to install this one after the other. Let's click on install here. You can see download failed, not found. We'll click on return to installer. Let's try the second one here. The same error, so let's return back. Now when you get an error message like this, it means that the plugins are broken. You need to download that plugin. Most of the times you have to contact your theme seller for them to send these plugins to you, but there is a shortcut of doing this. What I do is that there is a plugin that can extract premium plugins from premium themes. All right, and it's very important that you know how to do this, because if you want to buy this plugin one after the other, you find out that the cost of one of these plugin might be more expensive than 5 premium themes with lots of premium plugins. All right, so the best thing I do is to use this plugin to extract premium plugins from premium themes. All right, after extracting, then I can install and activate the plugins in any theme I want to use the plugins for. All right, so this is very important. Now that we have found out that this plugin is broken, the next thing to do here is to try to fix that. How do we do that? I have extracted this particular premium plugins from a premium theme. Even this also, this is a very popular theme editor, right? So I have this particular plugin right here, so I'm just going to proceed to install. But towards the end of this section, I'm going to teach you how you can extract premium plugins from premium themes. All right, so right here, let's try to fix this. We'll hover our mouse on plugins, then we'll click on add new here. All right, right here we'll click on upload plugin. So right here we'll click on choose file. Right, I'll go to my desktop here, then right here I go to log. Right, then right here this is the revolution slider. I'm going to grab that, and this is the JS composer. The JS composer is the same thing as the WP Bakery visual composer, while the rev slider here is the same thing as the slider revolution. But there is a little issue here. The issue here is that remember we said we should not import a folder to our dashboard. Everything should be in a zip format, but right here is only the slider revolution that is in zip format. The JS composer is in folder format. So right here we're going to zip this particular folder. How do we do that? We'll right click here, then we'll hover our mouse on send to right here, then we'll slide to compress zip folder. We'll click on that. Alright, you can see this is the zip folder here. So we are going to select the JS composer here, and I click on open, then I click on install now. Alright, after installing, you click on activate plugin. Alright, you can see we have done this. Let's go back to our dashboard. You can see it's still saying that this theme recommends the following plugin, slider revolution. So let's fix that. Over our mouse on plugins, we click on add new again, and we'll click on upload plugin, and we'll click on choose file. So right here we're going to select the rev slider here, and we'll click on install now. Alright, after that we activate the plugin. Alright, so after installing and activating the required plugin for our theme to function, the next thing is to import our demo data. The demo data allows your website to look exactly like the design that you saw on the theme forest. Right, take for instance, let's preview this again. Open this in a new tab. Right, now if we import the demo data for this particular theme, it simply means that after we finish importing the demo data, our website will look exactly like this. All right, so after that, all we need to do is to replace the content we have here to our content. All right, so this is a very important process. It will save you the time of designing from scratch. So how do we import the demo data? I cannot give you a one-time method. All right, this is because every premium or free theme comes with different theme panels. All right, there are some that the import demo data will be under the appearance. You can see right here we have our import demo data under our appearance, right? While there are some themes that we have a panel that will have the name of the theme. That is where you are going to see the import demo data. So whichever theme that you are using, make sure you try to locate where the import demo data is stored. All right, so let's try to import our demo data from this place. We'll click on import demo data content. All right, right here there are some themes that comes with lots of demo templates, but right here we are just having one demo for this particular theme. Then add this import type. You can either import the content, import widgets, import options alone, import menu alone, but right here we're going to select import all content. All right, then here we can check this. Do you want to import media files? Yes, we want to import media files. Do you want to delete all existing menus? This is very important. If you have been working on your WordPress dashboard before in a way that you have created menus, you need to check this to clear all the menus you have created before, so that you can have your brand new website looking like this. All right, so right here we're going to check this, and after that we click on import. Now then it's going to ask us, are you sure you want to import demo data? Now click on OK. All right, you can see that right here we are having a notification that says import is completed. Right, so let's see how our website will look like. Let's open this in a new tab. All right, you can see our slider revolution could not function. Why? Because they're saying the slider with alias home one slider not found. All right, so right here you can see other designs have been imported successfully. So basically here, this is how our website looks like. Let's view our templates and let's see if everything is intact. You can see all of that. The only thing missing here is this revolution slider. All right, now the revision slider plugin has been installed. The only thing here is that we don't have a slide yet. Why? Because we installed a revision slider from another premium theme. All right, for us to fix this, there is a very simple method I usually use. I'll hover my mouse on slider revolution here. Alright, now we're going to talk about slider revolution in a separate video, but right here, this is a quick one here. You hover your mouse on where you have manual imports, you click on that. So if you have any slide design, you can import directly and it's going to function. Take for instance, this is my website here, videoadmission.com. Right here, this is the slider revolution in this website. Let's view the website here. It's videoadmission.com. Alright, now this is the slider revolution. You're going to find out that this image is going to be changing, and I did all of this with the slider revolution. So what I do in my website most of the times is to come to a website that has a slider revolution, and I will export one of the designs. Right, so this is the dashboard to this website. I just need to scroll down here. I only have one slide right here. You click on this arrow pointing down here, and you're going to see export. Alright, so I'm going to click on the export. Right, I'll click on yes, export slide. You can see the slide is exporting. Alright, let's go back to our dashboard here. So right here, when you hover your mouse on slider revolution, you click on that, right? Now when it brings you to this place, you hover your mouse on manual import and you click on that, and you click on click to choose. Alright, then right here you go to where you have downloaded the export. You can see this is what I'm having here. Click on that and I click on imports here. You can see processing imports of high school slider and all that. You can see this slider is already here now, but if you reload the website again, you find that it will not still work because the slider alias name is not home1. Alright, so all we need to do is to change the slider alias name. We'll click on this pen here. It means that we want to start editing the slide. Alright, so we'll click on the pen here. So right here you can see this, the alias of this slide is called high school slider. So right here I'll change this to home1, right, and I'll click on save here. Right, then let's go back to our website here. Let's reload this. Right, it's still not working. Right, let's save this again and let's reload this. It's still not working. This is very simple. If it doesn't work like this, you click on edit page. You can start editing the page. So we are going to select from the back end of our website. Alright, so this is where we have the revolution slider. We'll click on the pen here to edit. You can see this is the revolution slider name right here. We'll click on that. Click on save changes. Let's dismiss this. Then right here we update. Let's open this in a new tab here. You can see that the slider revolution is now working. After that, you can go back to start editing your slider revolution. You can change the image here to suit whatever you want. This particular slider is for a particular educational website that I designed, so you can change all of that. Most of the times I don't waste my time creating new slides. All I need to do is to replace the content of my imported revolution slider. Alright, there's another thing I want to say also. There are some premium themes that after importing the demo data, when you go to view your website, it will not look like this, because the premium theme is expecting that you set your home page and your post page. Alright, for you to do that, what you need to do is to hover your mouse on settings, then you click on readings. Alright, so this is the place we have discussed before. If we select this, it means that we want to convert our website to a blog. If you select this, it means we want our website to be a full website, and this is actually what we want. So some premium team is going to have this checked, but they will have nothing selected here. They will leave this as select, they will leave this as select. Alright, so let's try this. Let's save this here. Alright, then let's reload our website. You can see right here there is really nothing here. So the best way to fix that is to come down here, we'll select this, then we'll select the home. This is the home page you select the home. Then the post page, we are going to select blog, or if there is news, you select the news, and after that you click on save changes, and you can come right here to reload your website. It should look exactly how that template is looking like. Alright, so that's that for that. Right here we have looked at how to install and configure our premium WordPress theme. Alright, in the next section here we'll be looking at how to work with our pages and posts. See you at the next section.